Chris, get out of their cage. Gets in there and tries to fight with them. Crazy, crazy, crazy. There he goes, there he goes. Chris! That's not your cage, Chris. He doesn't care. Chris! Let me get rid of that. There you go. Look, he's got his foot on him. Look at him just standing in there like, what's this little brat doing in here? Now you're trying to get on with the green guy, eh? Chris! Oh, now he's kissing him. Oh, Chris, you are weird. Now Chris makes himself little. The amazing growing Chris. Now I try to get on with the green guy. Green guy's not interested. He's not my type. Fine, I'll go out. No, I won't go out. Angel's calling you, Chris. Don't think he's all preen, right? Chris! Come on, Chris, let's go. Chris, get out of there. They don't want you in there. Oh yeah, he'll get out when he's good and ready. Come on, Chris. You've had enough fun in there. Let's come out. Come on, Chris. Stop fighting with them. Ooh. Chris! Here, I'll help you guys. I'll get him out. Not you! The wrong one's out. Chris. There, Chris is out. Here, I got him out. You guys happy? You can go in now. You are trouble. Yes, you are. And the fishes, too. Angel, what are we going to do with him?